They say birds of the same feather flock together, left from whatever. Been some lonely endeavors. When your eyes to the heavens, they never expected. Find myself flying the highest when I'm an eagle in perfect alignment. Get faith or die trying. I feel like David, I see Goliath. I think I'm Daniel. Take out the.
It's your girl Rock Your Glory. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Also, if you can, add me on social media outlets to keep up with your girl. Keep up with your girl. Keep up with your girl. So today I got the Pure Honey line, y'all, from Creme of Nature, and I bought it. They got 4 items on sale right now. They have the twisting cream, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in detangler. So I decided to just buy it. I wanted to win a giveaway, but if I win a giveaway, then I win. If I don't, I don't. So I just decided to buy it just to give y'all new products on my page every once in a while. Just the way they represented it was so well, and it honestly influenced me to buy it. Yep, they tricked your girl with the advertisement, and they really promoted this really well. They had the bloggers promote it really well. So I was like, okay, they working hard, so I'm gonna just go ahead and support the Creme of Nature today. So these products smell really good. I smelled them all. I honestly tasted one of them. I'm weird because it just looked like food. It looks like food. It just smelled really good, so I'm about to try it out. The first product I'm trying is this shampoo. The shampoo is a pure honey with the rich coconut oil. First off, the designs on these bottles are really nice, and it says it's to cleanse hair, helps restore moisture for healthy looking hair, detangles and softens and provides shine, healthy shine. Then we got the conditioner. It's made with for dry and dehydrated hair, pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. It's supposed to lock in moisture. It's supposed to smooth and softens and control frizz and untangler. Is a knot away leave-in detangler for dry dehydrated hair, pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy butter, and no sulfates, no mineral oils. It says it's supposed to instantly detangle. It's supposed to improve manageability, help repair split ends, stores moisture, assist the cuticle, and remove knots. It defines and elongates curls, and it says provides crunch-free, soft, and shiny curls. Long-lasting hold, non-flex, non-sticky, and non-greasy. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this a little closer. It's very thick. This product is so thick, bro. It's so thick. So let's get into it. Alright.
The dark brown shades of my skin only add color, only add color, only add.
The shampoo I really like. I like the way it moisturizes my hair. So it was my first time actually trying to shampoo that I actually feel like it moisturized my hair.
Dark brown, my skin, dark brown, my skin, dark brown, my skin, dark.
The conditioner was pretty cool. I wish it was just a little bit thicker. It smells good. It smells so. And it's very creamy. Here goes the consistency of it. So I'm gonna just put it some detangler in each section, and I'm gonna try to finger detangle to it first. Then I'm gonna use my Y2 comb, and I'm gonna detangle it. The knots leave-in detangler is my favorite product out of the 4 I bought. My favorite product. I like this one. It's really nice. I like the way it went through my hair, all that stuff like that. I got my daughter with me, so that's why she's talking in my background. It usually takes me a while to detangle out my hair, so I'm not mad about that. There's only so much a product can do to detangle your hair, so it did lie. It went through it pretty well. Nah, let's get these twists popping, okay? Hold on a second.
Warning, warning, warning.
Awesome. I got the twisting cream. When I put this on my hair, y'all, it felt like butter. It felt like they made this for real with shea butter, and I like the way it made my hair feel. My results in my hairstyle that I have my hair right now. This is my second time doing this hairstyle, so I don't fuck the products, but at the same time, it just, my hair look, with this hairstyle, my hair look really white, so I might wet it over and just put some twists in it and try using the cream by itself. It's really good. I don't know if creams just be white in my hair, because that happened to me the last cream I had tried, so I don't know, but this cream, my hair look white. Like, y'all may not see it, but my hair look really.
The dark brown shades of my skin only add color, only add color, only add.
Warning, warning, warning.
Dark brown. Dark brown, my skin, 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 my skin.
So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to me how y'all feel about this video. And this is the end of my demo review of the products. So, love you guys, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Deuces. Say deuces. Deuces.